Buying life insurance is one of the most important financial planning. But do you know that only 54% of Malaysian population owns a life insurance or a Takaful plan? So my video today is to share with you on the 9 benefits of life insurance. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chanel Chong. I share videos on insurance updates and financial knowledge every single week. So if you're interested in my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that you get notified on all my future videos. So what is a life insurance? Life insurance is a contract that is being entered between the insurer and also the policy holder, whereby the insurer will guarantee a payment of a death benefit to the beneficiaries upon the death of the insured. In simple words, you pay a small sum of money regularly, known as the premium to the insurance company. When you pass away one day, your family members who are also your beneficiaries will receive a lump sum of amount that we call the death benefit. Nobody likes to talk about death, but yet no one knows what the future holds. A lot of people die every year from illnesses and also accidents. So if you happen to be the sole breadwinner in the family and if you pass away one day, it will lead to a lot of emotional pain to your family. So the main reason of getting a life insurance is we can provide financial support for our dependents. Always remember that even though you're gone from the world one day, your love for your family still exists. Your family will still depend on you for the financial support. So definitely you don't want to disappoint them in this aspect. Whether it is to replace them with the income that they have lost, to pay for the children's education, and also to pay off the debts that you owe when you're still alive. You definitely don't want to burden them further with the liabilities that you have created. Life insurance preserves your estate. Not only that life insurance can help to pay off your debts, it can also help to pay off your income taxes and also the legal fees that is being incurred for your estate, for your will. In this case, your family wouldn't need to worry about forking out their savings to pay for all these expenses, which can be very, very expensive. Do you know that the assets of a deceased person can only be transferred to the next of kin, to the family member, if all the income taxes are being settled? Well, be sure that you have this thought when you are planning out for your life insurance. Always incorporate the future legal fees for your will and the future income taxes when you're getting a life insurance. Benefit number 3. Life insurance protects your wealth from other potential creditors. In Malaysia, life insurance is being protected under the Financial Services Act 2013, which comes with a very special clause known as the Creditors Proof Clause. Under this clause, as long as a trust nomination is being done for your policy proceeds will be 100% protected from all the creditors. So always make sure that you have done up your nomination when you purchase a new policy, and don't forget to also update your nomination when you are about to get married or when you're welcoming a new child in your family. Death benefit is not considered as a taxable income. So in other words, whatever proceeds that the family member is getting from the insurance company is all income tax free. Whatever amount that you're being covered will be the full amount that your family member is going to get. So for example, if you happen to buy a 1 million ringgit policy, upon death, your family member will get the 100% of 1 million ringgit and the whole 1 million ringgit is tax-free. Life insurance can supplement your retirement goals. Do you want your retirement savings to last as long as they can? How should you go about it then? Well, in this case, you can enter into an annuity life insurance plan. With this kind of plan in place, you just need to save up a small sum of amount every month for your future retirement. So when your retirement starts, you'll be able to enjoy back the regular income stream every month. Be sure that you plan this ahead so that you will know how much pension funds you'll be able to get from your life insurance product itself. Benefit number 6. Your business is also being taken care of. Life insurance isn't just for yourself or your family members. It can also help to take care of your business. So if you happen to own a business with a partner, both of you can enter into a buy-sell agreement to take care of your business. Upon death of a partner, the insurance company will pay out a certain amount for the death benefit into the company, whereby the surviving partner will be able to pay this amount to the family members of the deceased partner to gain ownership of the business. In this case, the business operation will still carry on without any hassle, without any interruption. Benefit number 7. Buying life insurance is cheaper when you're younger. If you're young, you're probably enjoying the best health compared to the rest of the people who are older than you. Being healthy and also being young will make sure that you enjoy the best rates for your insurance plan. But most of us may not realize this when we are young. We don't see the importance of entering into a life insurance when we are young. So if you're single today and if you're still very young today, you got to look out for your family. What if you have an elderly family member who needs your help? And what if you still have any younger siblings who need your financial support? Now, life insurance will come in handy for your financial planning. Life insurance can cover for future uncertainties. There are a lot of uncertainties in our life. You may be healthy today, and paying for the life insurance in the long term may seem to be a financial burden for you. But if you fall sick tomorrow, you won't be able to get any life insurance anymore. That's why it is very suggested that you should always enter into a life insurance as early as possible so that it will remain in force even though your health gets bad later. In simple words, if we are sick in the future, we will still be able to enjoy the insurance benefits for the policy that we buy today. Benefit number 9, peace of mind. One particular event that every single human can't avoid is death. If we are gone, we will no longer be able to accompany our family for the rest of their lives. But there's one thing that we can do to let them to have their peace of mind, which is to help them secure for their financial future. Even if it is just a small policy, you know in your heart that you have done your best to help them to go through their difficult times. That's all about it. I hope that this benefit will help you figure out your insurance planning in the future. Feel free to drop me a WhatsApp or email if you need more advices for your insurance planning. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!